In order to do today's activities on EdHeads, you need to have Flash enabled. To do so, you want to follow these simple steps. First, open up your Google Chrome browser. Next, up in the top right-hand corner, click on the three dots and go to Settings. From Settings, you want to type in the word Flash into the search bar. Next, you want to click on Site Settings and scroll down to the bottom until you see the word Flash highlighted in yellow. You want to make sure that this toggle is on to Ask First. Alright, once you have that toggled turned on so it's blue to Ask First, you can close your Flash settings. You go back to your notebook and you can go ahead and click on the Go to EdHeads Weather to complete today's activity. When you click on it, a gray puzzle piece might appear in the middle asking if you want to go ahead and allow this to run Flash. You want to just click on it and then hit allow, and then you should be able to do today's activity. All right, good luck. Thanks.